Hi, my name's Ollie. I work at Howdens in Loughborough. Been here just over 12 months now, and I'm one of the first apprentices to get a distinction in my apprenticeship. A few weeks ago I was offered a full-time job at Howdens after finishing my apprenticeship. Everyone has been really great, taught me everything I need to know. If anyone was unsure on what to do after school, after your college, and you weren't enjoying it, then I'd recommend getting an apprenticeship, contact Nova Training, so you can earn and learn at the same time.